like it when you're under the ocean and all you can feel is calm?
I like it when I'm sleeping.
I like it when I'm listening to music because that's the only thing that takes me to another world.
Hey, what are you doing there with that synth, huh? What are you doing there with your music equipment not working, huh? You believe that clown over there that told you that it was broken and there was nothing could be done about it? Yeah, right. He's full of shit. He's lazy and he doesn't want to work. Let me tell you something. Tell you something. My name's Aaron. Hey, I've been working in a studio, 25 years of my life. And everybody that I know, all of my personal friends, all of my music industry contacts, business contacts, suppliers, they know one fucking thing about me. Hey, I'm gonna get the job done, huh? I want to work for myself. I want to work for you. I want to make money for me. I don't want to have to. I got a skill. I can help you. Broke? No problem. I'll work with you. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. Be shy. Let me get your studio up and running. Hey, you might make a little bit of money if you get that thing working again. Is it a $13,000 Voyetra? I can fix it. Understand? The reason that I can fix it, not because this beautiful sexy hair that I got on top of my head, it's because I was in the United States military and I was trained on SATCOM systems and I worked with Boeing engineers, understand? And that's why I can fix it. I respect music. I'm a musician. I've been collecting vintage synthesizers for all my life. And the one thing that I don't like the most is having to leave it with another clown that I don't trust. Hey, let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. You can trust me. Hey! I'm an honest man, I'm a hard-working man, and I ain't a fucking narcissist. You ship that thing over to me and you let me take a look at it. I don't care what anybody else said about it. You let me take a look at it. If it can't be repaired, I'm not gonna bullshit you, call you right away, and I'll tell you it can't be repaired. If I can't fix it, I tell you I can't fix it, and I pay for the shipping back to you. If I can fix it, guess what? I can fix it, and when I do fix it, I charge you a fair rate, and I pay for the ship. Pay for the shipping to send it back to you. Boom, 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 boom. Just like that. Any problem you have in your studio, you call me. Any problem you have in your studio, you call me. You call me. Any problem you have in your studio, you call me. You need lessons in subtractive synthesis? I can teach you. You need lessons in additive synthesis or FM synthesis? I can teach you. I know these things. You want a modification to your 303 to make it devilfish with effects? I can do it. I've done it. That's why people go to me, okay? Now, me, I got contacts all over the world, okay? We're an
internet guy over there
searching on the internet, okay? Couldn't find your part, okay? I got friends, I got friends with real benches. They send me the pots, doesn't matter, we're friends, okay? Now, I take care of you, I take care of them, we take care of everybody. Because I want one thing. I want your business, I want your confidence. I want you to know that if your music equipment or something goes wrong with your studio, that you're gonna call me number one first and foremost. Because you know that I'm gonna do it. When I work on electronics in the military, it's because someone's ass was on the line, because lives are on the line. And I'm not gonna treat your music equipment any differently. Life or death. I understand it. I get it. Life or death. Life or death. I'm not gonna charge you $6 billion. I'm not gonna sit around and bullshit with my thumb up my ass all day pretending like I'm doing the job. First in is first out. That's my policy. When I get your rig, I'm gonna look at that thing. And if it needs repairs, I'm gonna go right away to repairing it. That's what I do. Bottom line, that's what I do. I'm gonna repair it, and once it's repaired, I'm gonna send it back to you. Now, during the repairs, I don't care if Richard Wright himself comes back from the dead and says all the original members of Pink Floyd are reuniting and they're doing a concert on the dark side of the moon. He's gonna have to wait. Bottom line, I know customer service. I like troubleshooting studios. I like repairing people's synthesizers and music equipment. I like repairing my own. I like modding them out. I do. You know why? Because it's great, and I like doing it, and I like doing it. Help me do what I love to do so that I can get you back doing what you love to do. Because your machine's broke, your guitar's broke. Hey, you want to modify the guitar with effects in it automatically on knobs and everything else? Boom, 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 boom. I can do it. It's simple. Your studio needs to work, and you need to be making sound, and you need to be making music, and I need to be fixing your synths. Anything in the studio I can do. You need it modded, I can do it. Hot rodded, I can do it. Customized, I can do it. Fixed, I can do it. Warranty, I can do it. I can do it. You got ideas? I can do it. I can help you with them. I can do it. You need live sound? I can do it. I got access up to a 100,000 watt turbo sound system from a friend of mine who's got a stage that can accommodate 30,000 people. A boardroom of 8, I can do it. Short on cash? I can do it. Okay? Forget about that jackass that told you it's never gonna work again. You know why? I can do it. Because he's a jackass. Period. Okay? He doesn't care about music. He doesn't care about you getting your gig. He doesn't care about your stuff work, okay? He cares about when he's gonna get his sandwich. Alright? Okay? They say there are no guarantees in life. Let me tell you something. There's one guarantee. I'm gonna fix bottom line. I'm gonna be there for you when you need it. Bottom line. Call me 318-613-3040. Call me. 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 Okay? 318-613-3040. Call me.
Okay?
318-613-3040.